Hi and welcome back. Today just want to do a quick video update on Cleanspark, ticker symbol CLSK, and why did it sell off, as well as some strategies and my trades on this stock. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord group where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and ways to grow our portfolios together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you are interested, check out my link down below. So this stock is down 22% today. If we take a look at the 6 months chart, we can see that it went to a high of $42. This was back in January. And then in November, it went to a low of $6.92. Massive run up. And then it tried to break the 42 resistance again, but it couldn't. And then it sold off all the way to $25. So that was acting as a very strong support. Back in January was when I first got into the stock. And I first got into the stock after there was a short seller report from Cooper Research stating that Cleanspark was a worthless stock. But of course, it was just a report. Nothing really happened. And as you can see, it even went all the way to $40 again. But now, this time, it dropped below that support, that very strong support of 25. And the reason for the sell-off was that Cleanspark announced that it would sell 9.09 million shares. The new shares were priced at $22, which works out to a $200 million cash infusion. And the company will use the cash to expand its infrastructure, purchase more cryptocurrency mining machines, and for other general corporate purposes. And Cleanspark's stock immediately dropped down to the proposed price of the stock offering, reducing the company's market cap by $156 million. This is just an overreaction. The money used will strengthen their balance sheet. And also, they're going to use that extra money into the development of products not related to Bitcoin, such as N-volt residential battery. So this is definitely a overreaction, and that's why I got it. This morning, I have 200 shares at $23.05. The last time I sold off was after the Cooper Research report that came out, and then it recovered. And this time, it's also going to recover. So if you guys are holding on to Cleanspark long term, you can consider averaging down or even sell some cover calls to generate extra income on your shares. So you do need 100 shares for that. And I do believe they're going to recover because they're just raising money to expand their company, which is a good sign for long-term investors. So not only did I buy 200 shares at $23.05, I also sold a cash secured puts. And if you don't know what a cash secured puts are, they are essentially setting a buy limit. And when you usually set a buy limit, you usually set it below where it's trading at. So this one is a 20 strike price. So I was able to generate some extra income by selling this cash secured puts. It does expire next month. And you do need to put up the collateral, which is 100 times the strike price. In this case, it's 20, so it's $2,000 in collateral. Your brokerage will put that money aside just in case you do get assigned. So you would get assigned if Cleanspark is at $20 or below at the end of the day on expiration date, which is 16 April. Always buy this option back sooner. And for all this, I was able to get $270. So that is a 13% return in a month. And I am bullish on Cleanspark, and I do believe that Cleanspark will be above $20 by then. So if you guys are trading part-time, this is something that you guys consider. I'm not talking about just Cleanspark, but just selling cash secure puts and selling covered calls in general. Selling covered calls is essentially setting a sell limit. So you do need 100 shares of the underlying stock. So if you guys have 100 shares of Cleanspark, you can actually sell some this week that has a strike price of at least 35, and you would possibly get $10 just for the $100 that you guys currently have. So you can do that. For next month, you're looking at $110. This is a 45 strike price. So as long as Cleanspark is below 45 on expiration dates, the 100 shares is released back to you. You are using 100 shares as collateral in this case. But let's say Cleanspark is at 45 or close to 45 on expiration dates and you don't get rid of your shares. What you can do now is you can actually roll the option over to next month and collect more premium that way. That's 2 strategies that you guys can implement into your trades. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.